Good morning. Steve Freed with the results of the USDA October crop report. Again, USDA always has some surprises for the markets on any of their reports, but basically they lowered the U.S. corn and soybean crop a little bit more than the market had anticipated. In the case of beans, they kept the carryout at 220 versus expecting a trade that might be a little bit, and that carryout that might be a little bit higher. So beans are up 38 cents at $12.90. As we approach this $13 level, if farmers haven't sold any grain and if basis is still high, then they probably should let some beans go on this rally. The meal's up $12, corn's up 5 cents at $4.93, wheat's up 11 cents at $5.67. Outside markets, the Dow dropped off its highs. Dollar rallied on the little bit warmer PPI and CPI data. USDA is now estimating the U.S. soybean crop at 41.04, with the yield of 49.6. Some people are watching pretty closely the third variety, and if the yields are impacted by dry and warm weather. Corn crop 15.064, 173 yield. Again, some people are talking about maybe the yield being a little bit better than that at the end of the day. The USDA raised the wheat crop from 1734 to 1812, but also raised feed usage. So the carryout now is 670. As I mentioned, the carryout in beans is 220, corn 2111. The average guess was 2221. Globally, they've got the Argentina corn crop unchanged at 16.5. I'm sorry, the wheat crop 16.5. Australia down 1.5 million tons at 24.5. Europe unchanged at 134. Russia unchanged at 85. The U.S. 49.3 million tons, up 2.1. The over in the corn, Argentina 55 million tons, up 1 million tons. Brazil 129 unchanged. The Ukraine is 28 million tons unchanged. Imports to China is 23 million tons, which is unchanged. Over in the beans, 163 for the Brazil crop unchanged. China imports 97 million tons, up 1, and they left the Argentina crop at 48 million tons despite increase of 2 million tons by Rosario exchange. We also noted there was 295,000 beans sold to China, and there was also, actually that was beans unknown, and 124,000 corn sold to Guatemala. Higher trade, I think in the beans, you should take advantage of this rally and sell a little cash in case South America has a good crop.